Everybody, this is D. Srinivas. Today I am going to discuss beautiful topic trigonometric ratios of some specific angles in our extension of learning outcomes from the trigonometric chapter. The new topic is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In this section we shall determine the values of trigonometric ratios of a for some specific angles are there: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Sin 0, 1. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. How would I know these all values? Simple. If you know this process, you should also say all the values, or not only sin theta, all the 6 trigonometric ratios value you have to write in your fingertips. You have to say in your fingertips. That's it. Okay. For that, I am going to take first specific angle is 45. That should be I have to determine today my class. Let's come here. Trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. I am taking consider a right angle triangle ABC. Consider a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B such that angle A equals to 45 degree. Angle A equals to 45 degree. Then see here. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree, because angle sum property, angle sum property in a triangle, sum of three angles equals to 180 degree. Yes. See. Angle B, from the question, angle B 90 degree, angle A 45 degree. You have to substitute very neatly. That equals to 180 degree. Now 135, sum of these two, 135 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Now transfer to the 135 to the right side, it will be changed the negative sign. So 180 minus 135 nothing but 45. So angle C equals to 45. Yeah. Angle A we have to take in consideration, angle A equals to 45, angle C equals to also 45. Hence, angle A equals to angle C equals to 45. When the angles are equal, by the property, one more property we should use here, angles are equal, quite opposite of angles, and angles opposite sides are also equal. Means, BC equals to AB. Right? Angles opposite sides are equal. Equal angles, opposite sides are equal. Now BC equals to AB, right? Suppose you have to take it here, BC equals to AB equals to small a. Let us consideration here, these two sides are equal. When the two angles are equal, by the property of opposite sides are equal of angles are equal in a triangle, that is the reason BC equals to AB, that equals to A. I have taken here, right? Now let us come to the triangle. Yeah. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem, by the use of Pythagoras theorem. AC value we don't know, AC square. AB value we have taken A, assume, plus BC value also A, substitute. Power 2 also substitute. Now we should get A square plus A square, 2A square. So AC square equals to 2A square. AC is equals to square root of 2A square. Separate the root terms. Root 2 you should write as is, square root cancel, we should get root 2A. AC equals to root 2A units. BCAB equals to A units. Dear viewers, now AC hypotenuse also I should get root 2A units. From the diagram I should get two angles are equal by using assume AB, BC plus AB equals to A. Now hypotenuse value, by using these two values I substitute in the Pythagoras theorem concept, I should get AC value. Then we should find easily trigonometric values of sin 45 to cosec 45. Hypotenuse value, from these three values we have to determine sin 45 to cosec 45. How it will be? By the definition of trigonometric ratios concept I should apply here. For suppose sin 45 cos 45 tan 45, yeah, sin 45, by using very good one word is there, no ocha chota. From that sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse, that is nothing but, from the diagram opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Already just now we got it, AB value A, BC value we should consider it, okay, and we got it AC value root 2 A units. Children, here BC is nothing but length of opposite side, that is nothing but A units. AC hypotenuse value just now we got it root 2A, A1 the A get cancelled, I should get numerator 1, denominator 2, so 1 by root 2. This is the value of sin 45. Sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 cos 45. As you know cos 45 from the definition of trigonometric ratios, simple, AS by H, adjacent side by hypotenuse. From the diagram adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC, AB value nothing but A, AC value just now we have to get it, that is root 2A, AA get cancelled, same procedure, I should get 1 by root 2, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Now let us go with the tan 45. Tan theta, by the definition of trigonometric ratios, opposite side by adjacent side. From the diagram opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB, BC equals to A, AB equals to A with respect to the diagram. AA get cancelled, now I got tan 45 value 1. Yes viewers, similarly you have to write very easily remaining values. Sin 45, sin reciprocal cosec 45, cos 45 cos reciprocal sec 45, tan 45 tan theta reciprocal cot 45. Yes, sin 45 value 1 by root 2, that's reciprocal, simply we can say that root 2 by 1, nothing but root 2. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2, it is also, chalo, its reciprocal should be root 2 by 1, root 2 only. Tan 45 1, reciprocal of 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1, sin reciprocal cosec 45 root 2, cos reciprocal sec 45 also root 2, tan 45 reciprocal is cot 45, that value is 1. So this is the way we have to determine the specific angle about 45. Okay, I assure it you have to understand very neatly, very hopefully, and I am going to explain next 30 and 60 specific angles. Till that,